Hello students, let us see one more question on this. Now A vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. B two vectors. If a vector perpendicular to both the vectors A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector has a magnitude 12 units, then one such vector is dash. You have to find, this is a vector, this is a B vector. You have to find the vector which is perpendicular to these both vectors. So what we will do, in generally you can do two ways this method. What is we can do? You can add this vector and this vector, you will get the result. You can subtract this vector and this vector, you will get the result. And for that both, you can do the cross multiplication, that is your final answer. That's very simple, and this is JEE question, okay? And you can do like that, otherwise you can do another way also, okay? The thing is what? The cross of these both you have to find. What is the cross of that? A vector plus B vector cross, you have to find A vector minus B vector, and you have to find the magnitude of this. So what you do here, if you take this A vector, B vector already you have, do addition, do subtraction and do cross, that is over. Another way is what you can do here, now multiply A cross A will be 0. If I multiply this A cross A, if I apply here, A cross A will be 0, and minus what I get here, A cross B, I will get A cross B, and then you have plus symbol here. Now B cross A, that is you get here B cross A. Now what I will get here, plus into minus, B cross B will be 0. I repeat again, A cross A is 0, and I just multiplied A cross, and this is A cross A is 0, then I multiplied A cross B here, A cross B minus, then you get B cross A, and plus into minus, B cross B is 0. So what I got, the result is, this is A cross B, this is B cross A. To make this is positive, what I can write here, this is I can change into B cross A plus B cross A. It means what is the result here? 2 times of B cross A is the answer. So you have to find 2 times of B cross A of this one, that is your final answer. That's it. This way also you can do it, and that way also you can do it. Now you have to find what here? B cross A. So what do you do here? B cross A I'll find first of all. That is I, J, K. Let us take the B component. What is you have? 1, 2, minus 2, and A component 3, 2, 2, 2. Right. Now let us do this B cross A. What I am going to get here? That I cap into 2 2s are 4 plus 4. You get 8. Okay. Now minus J into, that is 1 2s are 2 plus 6, that is 8. Okay. Are you getting it? 2 1s are 2, and minus into minus plus 8 I am going to get. Plus K cap into, what I am going to get here? 1 2s are 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, that is 2 minus 6, that is 4. Hope you understand. B cross A will be, that is you are going to get. Hope you understand here. This is when you have K cross, you have here 1 2 minus 2, 3 2 2, and when you are taking this K cap, 1 2s are 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So what I get here? I cap into 8 J cap minus 4 K cap. This is what B cross A, and you have to find the magnitude of this, right? Magnitude, and that is you have to find. So what do you do here? You just take out here 4 common. What is remain here? That is 2 I cap plus 2 J cap minus K cap. So magnitude, now this 4 you can neglect it. This 4 is not mandatory, because B cross A, all vectors which are parallel to this all will get considered. So magnitude you can neglect it. So the answer is 2 I cap plus 2 J cap minus K cap is the B cross A, and you have to find the magnitude. So 4 you can neglect it. So the magnitude of this, what is saying here? A vector, B vector, 2 vectors. If vector perpendicular to both, this is the vector perpendicular to both, this A and B, has the magnitude 12, then such vector is what? What is magnitude is 12. So just you find this magnitude and multiply with 12. So what I am going to get here? 12 into magnitude of this vector will be, that is A cap, vector A by magnitude of A, vector A by magnitude of A. So this direction, the vector will be what? Vector A by magnitude. That is, you can write as 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. That is 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, that is totally it is 9. So the answer will be 12. This is 9, means square root of 9 is 3. It can be cancelled 4 times. The answer is 4 times of 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So the answer is B. B is the right answer. Hope you understand. Hello students, let us see another question which belongs to here. If A dot B, modulus of A dot B is 3 and modulus of A cross B is 4, then is asking to find the angle between A vector and B vector. This is the question. So they given A dot B is 3 modulus and A cross B modulus is given 4. You have to find angle between the vector A and B. Now what do you do here? This can be written A vector dot B vector modulus 3 is given. This can be written as what here? Mod A, just A dot B, how can you write here? Mod A mod B, what we can write here? Mod A mod B cos theta. I can write like this. Mod A mod B cos theta is equal to 3, right? So mod A mod B cos theta. Mod of A dot B can be written as mod A mod B cos theta is equal to 3. Okay, mod A mod B cos theta is equal to 3. And then A cross B, this is you have mod A cross B is equal to 4. This is I can write as what? Mod A mod B sin theta is equal to 4. This is I can write as mod A mod B cos theta is equal to 3. Mod A mod beta sin theta is equal to 4. This is one equation and this is another equation. You divide 1 by 2. 1 divide by 2. So what I am going to get here? Mod A mod B cancel out. So 2 divide by 1 you do it. Okay, 2 divide by 1. 2 divide by 1. So what I am going to get here? Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Answer is said in cos. So you know in trigonometry you have tan theta is means opposite by hypotenuse. This is phi. So cos will be what? What is the actually angles are given in cos. So other things are given but another values are given. So this will be what here? Cos inverse, what I am going to get? Cos inverse 3 by 5. Option B is the right answer. So whenever they given A dot B, A cross B, you want to find angle between A and B, you have to do like this. Mod A mod B cos theta is equal to 3, mod A mod B sin theta is equal to 4, divide 2 by 1 and you get tan theta, then that will be converted into sin and cot anywhere. Okay, hope you understand. Let us see another question.